What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope everyone's doing well. Yeah, guys, we got Fool in the Rain today, in through the outdoor. I seen a lot of comments for the song. A lot of people say I'm gonna like it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe. Thank you guys for the amazing continued support as always. Truly means a lot. So close to 10K. We're hitting it any day now. But either way, I mean, thank you guys for the support. I know I say that, but like, it really does mean a lot. But yeah, okay. I'm excited to see what you guys are talking about in this song. It's about 6 minutes and 10 seconds, so a little bit longer, but excited to get into it. All right, Led Zeppelin, Fool in the Rain. Let's get it.
Like a star that can't wait for a night. I hate to think I've been blinded, baby. What can I see tonight? And the warmth of your smile starts burning, and the thrill of your touch gives me fright. And I'm shaking so much, really yearn. Why don't you show up and make it alright?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Roman? You want to say hi?
Dinner is ready, sire.
Thank you. Well, I just got my dinner of a granola bar and a chip. Gonna Alright, let's go, let's go. Ooh, switch up? Okay, okay. Yeah. Oh, we got a drum solo here? Oh, there's a whole bunch of instruments. There's so many things going on right now. Hello! What instrument? Is that a guitar? With some sort of effect.
Ooh, now my body is starting to quiver, and the palms of my hands getting wet. Oh, I got no reason to doubt you, baby. It's all a terrible mess, and I run in the rain till I'm breathless. When I'm breathless, I run till I drop. Hey, the thoughts of a fool's gotta guess. Just a fool waiting on the wrong block. Oh, yeah. Hey, now.
Oh, I love them vocals.
Light all the love that I found. Light all the love that I found. Light all the love that I Light all the love that I found. Light all the light all the love that I found. Light all the love that I found.
Yo. Whoa. Honestly, not what I was expecting. That was different. I want to know what that instrument was for that solo. I'm guessing it was a guitar with some sort of effect on it. But that one part where they're like drums going, like a few percussion instruments. I don't know exactly what. They're like 7 or 8 instruments like just going all together there. And that was sick. That was sick. Dang. Okay. Oh yeah, that effect. I want to know what instrument that was. I think it was a guitar just with an effect on it. But yeah. Okay, different than what I was expecting, but I liked it. Fool in the Rain. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it for the video, guys. We still got that one video with Olivia. Maybe you guys can guess which one it might be. But yeah, okay. Like, subscribe, guys. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner that Roman brought. I'm a little confused. Alright. See you guys next time. Peace out.